Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
This quick guide explains how to use VCDs with Audi vehicles for diagnostics. You need VCDs software and a compatible HEXV2 or 409. One cable to connect. Install the USB drivers on a Windows laptop before plugging in the cable. Turn the car ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Always connect the cable to the OBD-ROMAN 2 port under the dash first, then to the laptop. Confirm the software shows a stable interface connection before proceeding with tests. Begin by launching VCDs and selecting the correct vehicle model and interface. Select the correct control module in VCDs and press Auto Scan for a full report. Wait while the scan records all modules and fault codes across the vehicle network. Use the Fault Codes button to read and note DTCs before clearing any codes. When needed, view live data or perform an output test using the module's specific measuring blocks for guided checks. Follow safety steps and never leave the ignition unattended during active tests. Always save your work by exporting logs and scans to the laptop for future reference. Save scan results and measuring blocks as logs using the software save or export options. Before changing adaptations or coding, back up original values and document every step taken. Use adaptation and coding only with verified instructions and an understanding of their permanent effects. After repairs or coding changes, clear stored codes and perform a new auto scan to confirm that the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.